So you have a RCA Roku TV remote and you have an issue where it's not working, where you have one button or several buttons not working, okay? Maybe only your power button's not working, or maybe it's your power button and right button and home button. Anyway, as long as you have several buttons not working, at least some of the buttons are working so that we know at least it's paired. Also, some of you guys may have ghosting issues with the remote where, for example, if you press right, it won't go right one time, it'll go like 2 or 3 or 4 more times, okay? I'm gonna give you guys 3 solutions to get you up and running right now. And take note, this is only gonna work for about 60% of you guys, okay? However, if it works for you, it's a really easy fix, okay? So first thing is this. Turn your RCA Roku TV on, and then while it's on, what I want you to do is pull the power cord, okay? Wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I want you to go back, plug it back in, then go ahead and turn on your TV and then see if your remote is now, if all the buttons, everything is working properly, okay? If not, we're going to go to step number 2 here. Step number 2, grab your remote, go ahead and take out the batteries. After you take out your batteries, first thing I want you to do is press and hold this power button. Press and hold for 15 seconds, okay? Press and hold for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, go ahead and let go. And now starting with the power button, I want you to spam everything. Basically press every single button in and out like crazy. A lot of times what happens is you may get water on the remote, sweat, lotion, even like dirt or lint that gets inside one of the buttons. It can cause issues on other things in the remote as well, okay? So go ahead and spam everything, get everything all nice and loose. Every single button on here you gotta do, okay? Even the volume rockers and the mute button here, do that as well. Spam everything like crazy. And then give it a couple whacks. Now go ahead and put your batteries back in, but don't put the back plate on yet, okay? Put the batteries back in and then see if your remote is now working correctly. If not, pull the batteries back out and do the same thing again. Remember, press and hold this power button for 15 seconds. Do not let go. After 15 seconds, go ahead and let go. And then spam every single button, even the power button. Spam every single button on here. Get everything all nice and loose all over. Just keep on going, press kind of hard. Give it a couple whacks. Pop the batteries back in, and then don't put the plate on again yet. And then see if your remote is working. Now the thing is, if you're still down, I want you to try the second method here. Try it 5, 6 more times, okay? A lot of times for myself, usually it's the 3rd, 4th time that it finally works. Anyway, after the 6th time and it's still not working, then the next thing I want you to do is this. What I want you to do is pull the batteries back out, and I want you to get a different set of batteries, a different set of AAA batteries. It doesn't necessarily have to be brand new batteries, just totally different batteries. Before you put the other batteries back in, do the same thing. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, go ahead and let go, and then spam every single button on here like crazy, even on the sides. Remember, give it a couple whacks, then go ahead and put the new batteries in, and then see if your remote is finally working. Now, if you come this far in this video, at least I'm gonna say 60% of you guys, 60% should have a working remote. So if this worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. Like I said, we should see a 60-40% like to dislike ratio, all right? Good luck, guys.